What if I told you that the snack you've been avoiding could actually be the key to reversing your insulin resistance? I'm talking about a food so powerful that studies show it can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 30%. And no, it's not some exotic superfood you've never heard of. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share will completely change how you think about snacking. If you're dealing with prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, or you just can't seem to lose that stubborn belly fat no matter what you do, your body is screaming that something's wrong with your insulin. And here's the truth nobody's telling you. You can't out-exercise a broken metabolism, but you can eat your way back to health. Let me show you how. Here's what's happening inside your body right now. Every time you eat, your pancreas releases insulin to help sugar get into your cells for energy. But when you have insulin resistance, it's like your cells have changed the locks. Insulin keeps knocking, but nobody's answering. So your pancreas makes more insulin, which leads to more fat storage, more inflammation, and eventually diabetes. The worst part? Most healthy snacks are making this worse. Granola bars, fruit smoothies, whole wheat crackers, they're all spiking your blood sugar and feeding the problem. So what's the #1 snack for reversing this? Almonds. I know what you're thinking. That's it? Almonds? But hear me out, because the science behind this is absolutely fascinating. And when you understand why almonds work, you'll never look at snacking the same way again. Let me break down exactly what makes almonds so powerful. First, the magnesium connection. One serving of almonds gives you 20% of your daily magnesium. And here's why that matters. Magnesium is like the key that helps insulin unlock your cells. Studies show that 48% of people with type 2 diabetes are deficient in magnesium. It's not a coincidence. Second, healthy fats that heal. Almonds are packed with monounsaturated fats, the same fats in olive oil that everyone raves about. These fats literally improve your cell membranes, making them more responsive to insulin. It's like upgrading from an old door lock to a smart lock. Third, the protein-fiber combo. With 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber per serving, almonds slow down your digestion. This means no blood sugar spike, no insulin surge, and no crash 2 hours later where you're raiding the pantry. And here's the kicker. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that eating just 1.5 ounces of almonds daily for 12 weeks reduced insulin resistance by 30%. 30%! That's better than most medications, with 0 side effects. Now here's how to use almonds strategically. Timing matters. Eat 10 to 15 almonds about 30 minutes before your main meals. This preloads your system with healthy fats and protein, which blunts the blood sugar spike from your meal. It's like putting a sponge in your bloodstream. The perfect portion. One serving is about 23 almonds or 1 ounce. Don't go overboard. Yes, they're healthy, but they're also calorie-dense. We're healing your metabolism, not just replacing one bad habit with another. Upgrade your almonds. Raw or dry roasted is best. Skip the honey roasted or flavored varieties. That's just sugar in disguise. And if you really want to level up, soak them overnight. This removes enzyme inhibitors and makes the nutrients even more bioavailable. The 3 p.m. rule. That afternoon slump when you're reaching for coffee and cookies, that's your blood sugar crashing. Replace it with almonds and watch your energy stabilize. No crash, no cravings, just steady, clean energy. Want to make this even more powerful? Here are 3 bonus strategies. Combo number 1, almonds with a small piece of dark chocolate, 85% cacao or higher. The polyphenols in dark chocolate enhance insulin sensitivity even further. Combo number 2, almond butter on celery sticks. You get extra fiber from the celery, and it feels more substantial as a snack. Combo number 3. Make your own trail mix with almonds, pumpkin seeds, and a tiny bit of unsweetened coconut flakes. This gives you zinc and chromium, 2 more minerals that support healthy blood sugar. And here's a pro tip. Keep a small container of almonds in your car, your desk, your purse. When they're accessible, you'll actually eat them instead of whatever's convenient. Now I need to be real with you. Almonds are powerful, but they're not magic. If you're still eating processed carbs at every meal, drinking soda, and living on 4 hours of sleep, no snack is going to save you. Reversing insulin resistance requires a complete approach. The right foods, movement, stress management, and sleep. But here's the beautiful thing. When you start with one powerful habit like strategic almond snacking, it creates momentum. It proves to your brain that change is possible, and that momentum builds. If you're serious about taking control of your blood sugar and reversing insulin resistance, I've created something special for you. It's my ebook, 20 Proven Tips to Control Blood Sugar Levels and Reverse Diabetes. The link is in the description below. Download it now while it's fresh on your mind, because this information could literally add years to your life. And if this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so I can keep bringing you content that actually makes a difference in your health. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you going to try the almond strategy? What's your biggest struggle with blood sugar control?